Question 7b, question number 2. So we'll start dividing this one. As usual, now we'll consider 6x cubed. So they are the main characters, and in here it is x. So we will look at now how many x goes to 6x cubed, which is, this is wrong. How many plus x goes to plus 6x cubed. So then plus 6x cubed divided by plus x is plus 6x square. So then this has to be plus 6x square. Now multiply by back. And 6x square plus x, 6x cubed. Then 4 times 6x square, 24x square. Plus times plus is plus. When you multiply this one, you have two options. One is 6x square, you multiply by 4, 24. Then you multiply by plus multiply by plus. You can do that. Or you can do this one as well. You pick up plus 6x square and plus 4. And then the final answer is plus 24x square. So you can write plus 24x square. Whichever way comfortable for you. So then we have to minus. So when you minus, this is become 0. And 27 minus 24x square, which is 3x square. And when you look at now, this is x square, we have to continue. So then we will bring those two down. Then what is the remain? Now this one and this one. How many plus x goes to plus 3x square? It means plus 3x square divided by plus 6. It's going to be plus 3x. Then 3x times x square, 3x square. 3x times 4, 12x. Plus times plus. And let's minus this one. This is going to be 3 minus 3, 0. 14 minus 12, 2. X. Then we have to continue. Then I'll bring this 8 down. 2x plus 8. How many plus x goes to plus 2x? How many plus x goes to plus 2x? So divide plus 2x divided by plus x plus 2. Then plus 2 times x plus 2x plus 2 times plus 4 plus 8. So then minus 0. Now what you can tell about x plus 4? X plus 4 is a factor of this one. 6 square plus 20x plus 14 plus 8. Now 6 divided by 7 divided by 2. What is the answer? Okay, in general, is 2 is a factor of 7? No. 2 is not a factor of 7 because you can't divide 7 by 2. It means when you divide 7 by 2, you have 3 and you have remainder. Is 2 is factor of 6? Yes, because when you divide 6 by 2, answer is 3, no remainder. So this is the same thing. When you divide 6x cubed 27 x square 14x plus 8 by x plus 4. Answer is 6x square plus 3x plus 2 and no remainders. It means x plus is a factor of 6 square plus 7x plus 14x plus 8. So we'll write in this form they want. They want in a different form. This is equal x plus 4 times 6x square plus 3x plus 2. Part B, we have to divide by this one. Okay, setup is fine. 3, 2, 1 constant and x plus 2. Yes. Now I am writing 4x square. I can look at, because did I make 4x cubed by writing this? Yes, 4x square times x is 4x cubed. Then my selection is right. Then in other way, how many x goes to 4x cubed? How many x goes to 4x cubed? Then you can divide 4x cubed by x. This is 4x square. This is another method to look at it. Or you have to choose a number here. When you multiply by this one, you have to get this one. Right? Okay. In other way, 4x cubed divided by x is 4x square. In other way, 4x cubed means x times 4x square. Now, if I write 4x cubed and x here, then to make 4x cubed, what is the number you want? 4x square. This is different way of looking at it. Now, this is going to be 4x square plus 4x square 8x square plus times plus is plus. And now you have to minus it. This is cancel out. This is going to be x square. Then we are going to continue, bring those two numbers down. Now again, you want to make x square. You have x in hand. Then what is the number you want? X. So then it is going to be x. Or you can write how many x goes into x. How do you find x square divided by x is x? Both right. So x times x, x square, plus 2 times x, plus 2x. Then minus this 1 minus 1, 0, minus 3x, minus 3x, plus, minus 3x, minus plus 2x. It means minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x. And are we going to continue? Yes. Then bring this one down. Now minus 5x minus 10. Now how many? Now you want to make minus 5x. X in your hand. What is the missing? Missing is minus 5. Then that number goes to here. Right? So minus 5x times x 5x and minus 5 times plus 2 minus 10. 5 times 2 10 minus times minus, right? Then minus it as usual. This is 0. Hence, what will happen? No remainder. 6 divided by 2 is 3. No remainder. Hence, 2 is a factor. 7 divided by 2 is 3, but remainder is 1. Hence, 2 is not a factor for 7, but 2 is a factor for 6. Likewise, x plus 2 is a factor for this polynomial. So 4x cubed, 9x square minus 3x minus 10 divided by x plus 2. What is the answer? 4x square plus x minus 5. Now cross multiply and write the answer they want. 4x cubed 9x square minus 3x minus 10 equal x plus 2 times 4x square plus x minus 5. So part C. How many x goes to 2x square cube? 2x square. Then 2x square times x, 2x cube. Then this is going to be plus 2x square times 3, 6x square. Minus it, 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 6 minus 2, x square. Then bring those two down. Then how many x goes to minus 2x square? Minus 2x. Then minus 2x times x minus 2x square. Then 2x times 3, 6x minus times plus minus. Then minus it. So this is going to be 0. Minus 2x square minus 2x square. Then minus 2x square plus 2x square cancel out. So this value is going to be 0. Then this is minus 9. Then this is minus, how many minus? 6. So minus 9 plus 6, which is going to be minus 3. So minus 3x, and yes, and bring this one down, minus 9. Now how many x goes to minus 3x? Minus 3x divided by x, which is minus 3. Now multiply by back. 3 times x minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 3 minus 9, which is 0. Now we can write the answer. 2x cubed plus 4x square minus 9x minus 9 divided by x plus 3. Your answer is going to be 2x square minus 2x minus 3. I multiply by both sides x plus 3. Then this is cancel out because it is cancel out and remain in here. And now this is the answer. Now part D. 2x cubed. So how many x goes to 2x cubed? How many x goes to 2x cubed? 2x cubed divided by x, 2x square. So 2x square. So 2x square times x, 2x cubed. Then 2x square times minus 6, minus 12x square, minus 12x square. Then we have to minus those two. So this is cancel out. This is going to be minus 15 minus 12. Minus 15 plus 12, which is minus 3. Minus 3x square plus 14x and plus 24. Now, how many x goes to minus 3x square? It is going to be minus 3x. So minus 3x times minus 3x square. This is going to be minus 3 minus minus positive. That's why 3 times 6, 18x. Then I want to minus this one. This is minus 3 minus minus 3 minus minus 3. This is minus 3 plus 3 cancel out. So this is cancel out. This is 14 minus 18. 14 minus 18. So I'll put the bracket here. It's minus 4x and plus 24. How many x goes to minus 4x? Minus 4. Minus 4 times x minus 4x. Now this is 4 times 6, 24. Minus times minus plus. When you minus this one, answer is 0. Hence, 2x cubed, 15x square plus 14x plus 24 divided by x minus 6 equal 2x square minus 3x minus 4. Then multiply by both sides x minus 6. Then this is cancel out. 2x cubed 15x square plus 14x plus 24 equal x minus 6. I'll write here. And 2x square minus 3x minus 4. This question is E. Okay, we'll start in order 3, 2, 1 constant x. So how many x goes to minus 5x cubed? Then minus 5x cubed divided by x minus 5x square. Then minus 5x square times x minus 5x cubed. Then minus 5x square times plus 6 or 6 minus 30x. So we'll minus it now. This is going to be cancel out. And this is going to be 3x. Minus 27 minus 30. Minus 27 minus 30. This is minus 27 plus 30, which is 3x. And then plus 23x plus 30. Oh, this is x square actually, sorry. Right, so this is 3x square. Now, how many x goes to 3x square? Plus 3x. How many plus x goes to plus 3x square? Then plus 3x square divided by plus 6. This is plus 3x. So this is plus 3x. Then multiply plus 3x times x plus 3x square plus 3x times plus 6. 3 times 6, 18x and plus. This is cancel out. 23 minus 8, 18, 5. X plus, I'll bring this one 30. Now, how many x goes to 5x? Plus 5. Then plus 5 times x, plus 5x. Plus 5 times plus 6, plus 30. And when you minus this one, 0. Hence, x plus 6 is a factor of this one. So minus 5x cubed minus 27x square plus 23x plus 30 divided by x plus 6 equal minus 5x square plus 3x plus 5. Then you multiply by x plus 6 both sides. This is cancelled out. So final answer is 5x cubed 27x square plus 27x plus 30 equal x plus 6 times minus 5x square plus 3x plus 5. How many x goes to minus 4x square? You can divide. So bring one power down. Minus 4x square. Then minus 4x square times x minus 4x cube. This is going to be 4x square times 2, 8x square, minus times minus plus, and minus these two. So this is going to be x square. Then I'll bring this one down and this also down. Now multiply by again plus x. Sorry, how many x goes to x square? X. So x times x, x square, x times minus 2 minus 2x. So answer is going to be minus x. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 3 minus minus 2, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. That's why minus x. Minus 3x minus minus 2x. That's, you can see, minus 3x plus 2x, which is minus x. And I'll bring this one down. So how many x goes to minus x? Minus 1. Or minus x divided by x minus 1. So minus 1 times x minus x. Minus 1 times minus 2 plus 2. Answer is 0. Now minus 4x cubed 9x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 equal minus 4x square plus x minus 1. Now cross multiply this one. Minus 4 cubed plus 9x square minus 3x plus 2 equal x minus 2 minus 4x square plus x minus 1. 7b question number 3a. How many x goes to x4? x3. Then x3 times x, x4, and x3 times 2, 2 x cube, and plus times plus plus minus. This is going to be 3x cubed, and we're going to continue, bring it down, minus 7x plus 2. Then how many x goes to 3x cubed? 3x square. So 3x square times x, 3x cubed. And 3x square times 2, 6x square plus times plus is plus minus. This is cancelled out. This is going to be minus 4x square. Bring it down. Now x how many x goes to minus 4x square? Minus 4x. Minus 4x times x minus 4x square. Minus 4x times minus plus 2 minus 8x. So minus 8. This is cancelled out. This is going to be x, and bring it down, plus 2. And how many x goes to x? 1. So 1 times x plus 2, x plus 2, 0. Then answer is x4 plus 5x cubed plus 2x square minus 7x plus 2, you can factorize x plus 2 times x cubed plus 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Now question number 3b, x plus 3. Uh, this is going to be 4x cubed. How many x goes to 4x square? 4x cubed. So 4x cubed times x, 4x4, and 4 times 3, 12x cubed plus 1 minus, this is going to be 2x cubed. Bring down, down, down. Then how many x goes to 2x cubed? Plus 2. Plus 2 times x, 2x square. So plus 2x square times x, 2x cubed. And this is going to be 2 times 6x square. This is going to be minus 3x square. You have to minus, if you are not sure, write and minus this one. So 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 2x cubed minus 6x square. This is cancelled out, plus 3x square minus 3x square minus 3x square. Then bring down. Then how many x goes to minus 3x? Is going to be minus 3x. So minus 3x times x minus 3x square minus 3x times plus 3 minus 9x. So minus it. This is going to be 5x minus 5x. Bringing this one down, minus 15. So how many x goes to minus 5x? Minus 5. Minus 5 times x minus 5x minus 5 times 3, 15. Minus it, 0. The final answer is 4x4 plus 14x cubed plus 3x square minus 14x minus 15 equal x plus 3 times this one. 4x cubed plus 2x square minus 3x minus 5. Question number 3. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Constant. Find how many x goes to minus 3x4. This is x. So this is going to be minus 3x cubed. Minus 3x cubed. Then multiply by this one. Minus 3x cubed minus 3x4. This is going to be 3 times 2, 6 x cubed minus times minus plus. So you have to minus those two. Answer is 3x cubed. Then bring down plus x plus 14. How many x goes to minus 3x cubed? Minus 3x square. Sorry, that's an error. 9 minus 6 plus 3, not negative 3. So then this has to be How many x goes to 3x square? Positive 3x square. Then 3x square times x, 3x cube. This is 3x square times 2 minus 6x square. So you have to minus this one, cancel out, minus 4x square plus x plus 14. You don't need to write these arrows, but so I'm doing it, then you can understand easily. And how many x goes to minus 4x square? Minus 4x. Then minus 4x square, this is going to be minus 8x. Sorry, plus 8x. 4 times 2, 8x, minus times minus plus. Then minus this one. When you minus, you will get minus 7x plus 14. Minus 7x when you minus. Then bring plus 14 down. Then how many x goes to minus 7x? It's going to be minus 7. Minus 7 times x minus 7. This is going to be plus 14. Minus 0. So our answer is minus 3x4 plus 9x cube minus 10 square plus x plus 14 equal x minus 2 times minus 3x cube 3x square minus 4x minus 7. Question D, 5x5 2x cube minus 1. So how many x goes to 5x cube? 5x4. Then 5x4 times x minus 5x times minus x to the power 5. This is 5x4, 5 times 1, 1, and minus times plus, minus times minus plus. So this is going to be 2x4. Bring this one down, 2x cube, and bring others down as well. How many x goes to 2x4 plus x plus, sorry, how many x goes to 2x4? 2x cube. This is wrong. How many plus x goes to plus 2 cubes? So plus 2x4 divided by plus 6. So plus 2x cube. That's why I put plus sign as well. So then this is going to be 2x cube plus 2x to the power 4. Then this is going to be minus 2x cube. Then minus those two together. This is going to be 4x cube. Minus minus become plus. So bring it down. So you don't need, there's a way of working without bringing down, but for the safe side to avoid the risk. And when you're competent, you can avoid that. But at present, bring it everything down when you work like this. Then how many x goes to 4x cubed? That is going to be plus 4x square. First square x square is first, plus 4x cubed minus 4x square. So this is going to be 7x square, minus 3x square plus 10x minus 7. Now how many x goes to minus 3x square? It is going to be minus 3x. So minus 3x times x minus 3x square, then plus 3x. So we will minus those two together. So this is going to be 7x minus 7. Then how many x goes to 7x? Plus 7. Then this is going to be 7x minus 7 is 0. Now I have to write the answer. Minus 5x 5 plus 7x4 plus 2x cubed minus 7x square plus 10x minus 7 equal x minus 1 times this one minus 5x4 plus 2x cubed plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7.